Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I don't tell you guys enough, but thank you for sticking around for the next video. If you're new here, hey y'all, hey! And if you're old here, welcome back. I appreciate you tuning in. Today's video is inspired by the Naturall Club. I'm going to make a DIY of the product using avocado, shea butter, coconut oil, Jamaican Black Castor Oil, Mielle's mint almond oil, Mielle rosemary and mint oil, as well as the aloe vera plant. Guys, I watch people cut open the aloe vera plant and use it on their scalp, and I'm not sure if because I had gotten a small plant this time, but this was not easy. The actual guts of the aloe vera plant, it was so slimy and it stinks. I haven't heard anyone say anything about the smell, but I do not like it. So I used a knife and cut it open, and I scraped the inside of it out into the bowl. And now I'm back with my little experiment. I'm using a splatter screen, usually used when frying foods and you sit it on top of the dish. But I used this and I poured the aloe vera on top of it, and it strains very well. Next, I'll be cutting open the avocado and dumping it inside of the blender. Next up is coconut oil. I purchased this off of Amazon. The brand is called Viva, and it comes solid, so it's pretty good when scooping it out and putting it inside of stuff so it doesn't melt and make a mess. And then next, the shea butter. It's raw shea butter as well, and I got it off of Amazon. I'll link it in the description bar. And then next, I'll be using honey. I picked it up at a local grocery store, so it's nothing too fancy. And then the Mielle mint almond oil and the rosemary and mint oil. And last but not least, I put it in the blender and shake them up, shake them up, shake them up, shake them. And that's all I have for today. Thank you guys for sticking around to the end of this video. Please like, comment, and let me know what you think down in the comments. I'll see you guys in my next video where I'll be using this conditioner on my hair.